Hi, I have prepared these ingredients. I'm about to make a Nasi Goreng, supposed to be Nasi Goreng Kampung, but I don't know, I just didn't follow the recipe. I use whatever I have. I always like to make use of whatever available rather than following strictly. No fun, right? If you have to follow someone's instruction telling you how much to use and step by step, that's not me. I just love to cook by intuition, as and when whatever will be will be. I just love this exploration journey to see what will turn out to be. What I have right now is kangkong, onion, ikan bilis, brown rice, fish cake, prawns, cucumber, chilies, and I'm going to use this packet of powder. It's flavoring powder. You can make soup with it also, actually. It's quite tasty. I'll come back to you shortly with the end result. My fried rice is ready. Apart from the ingredients you saw earlier, I also added a bit of soy sauce, abalone sauce, curry leaves, daun kalsom, which is laksa leaves, and also lime leaves, and spring onion. Bon appetit!